quite a nice section. So we're going to have a little look at the flexural slip restoration tools. The first thing that we can do is we can add flexural slip horizons, which is sort of a continuation of this interpreted horizon using the flexural slip concentric folding algorithm. So let's do a flexural slip horizon there. So we'll need to put a pinpoint which determines the point at which there is no that there's no horizontal vertical displacement above it. So as you can see, as we move this flexural slip horizon up and down, we can see how well the seismic data sort of conforms to this flexural slip restoration technique. You can see that it's quite a good example of flexural slip. Okay. So we can, if we wanted to, we could drop these flexural slip horizons in place, and they would create new sort of horizons, which is a quick way of interpreting if you happen to have a complex structure. Okay, so let's move on, and I'm going to remove. One thing I didn't mention was the undo capability in Structure Solver. If you go to the edit menu, you'll see this undo, and you can. It's very useful when you make a mistake or you don't like what you've done, and you can just keep undoing things. So I'm going to undo all the adding of all these flexural slip horizons. Okay, so now I'm going to restore the section. I'm going to choose this horizon. At this point, I'm going to use flexural slip. I'm going to restore above and below selected horizon. Here's the details on it. Select a pinpoint, or maybe we'll put it right on the top of the crest of the structure there. So now we're asked to choose the range we want to go. And as you recall, when we added these flexural slip horizons, it's a pretty good, it's pretty much a flexural slip sort of deformation, probably down to about here, and maybe up right at, well, let's go up here. Okay. So there we are. Again, we get our little cheat sheet telling us what we want to know. So here's our flexural slip restoration. And again, we could continue to interpret on this section and send data back. You can see we're starting to get a bit of growth.